Hello everyone, and I'm back. And somebody's talking. Yeah, that's just my grandfather. And yes, I do have my PJs on. Look at these cool slippers. As you can tell by the title of this video, yeah, just read it. Locally 2 to 3 feet of snow here from northeastern Massachusetts. And look at my house. It's all white. Massachusetts down into about the Foxborough area, and that's all based on where we had those heavy bands. This is all white too. Everything's white at my house. All I can see is whiteness. 12 to 18 all to the Cape and the islands. This is my little brother. He has yes, he touches everything. He's so cute. And yeah, if you ever see a big house that's gray, that's mostly white, then that's never mind. That's just my friend's house, because she told me that her house is a boom white. Yeah. Oh my god. Tablet. He's so funny. And now he is squirming. No, he's. Oh my god. Yeah, that was bad. I'm gonna have that in the video, everyone. Bye bye.